Donald Trump, yeah, the guy with 34 felony convictions, is going full throttle into crypto. Wild, right? But get this, he's not just holding a few coins. He's making a jaw-dropping $2.30 billion Bitcoin play through Trump Media and Technology Group, TMTG, the parent company of Truth Social. The big question is this a real fintech pivot? Or is Trump building a financial fortress to shield his empire from government seizure? And let's be honest, can you actually get rich from this, or are you just a pawn in Trump's high-stakes crypto chess game? This is LivityUniverse, where I rip the mask off power, profit, and propaganda. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Trump's Bitcoin move? TMTG is planning to raise over $2.3 billion to buy Bitcoin. Yeah, you heard that right. While most Americans are battling inflation, Trump's company is trying to become one of the biggest corporate Bitcoin holders on the planet. Now here's the twist. Trump was convicted in New York State Supreme Court last year on all 34 counts of falsifying business records to hide a payment to Stormy Daniels. It made him the first president who's also a convicted felon. He was sentenced 10 days before being sworn in for his second term. So, as Trump faces multiple criminal charges and massive financial penalties, he's launching this bold Bitcoin play. Coincidence? Or a strategic shield? Let's follow the money. TMTG is raising capital through convertible notes and equity sales. The funds? Heading straight into Bitcoin, creating a crypto treasury modeled after MicroStrategy. But here's where it gets spicy. This isn't just about building digital wealth. It's about making Trump's fortune untouchable. Crypto can be stored outside traditional banking. If fines, asset seizures, or bankruptcy hit, Bitcoin is way harder for the government to reach, especially if it's stashed offshore or in decentralized wallets. This isn't an accident. It's a digital fortress. Now timing. Why do this now? Trump's legal troubles are stacking up. 34 felony convictions, over $500 million in possible penalties, and threats to his campaign funds and business licenses. Just as the legal noose tightens, he builds a massive crypto war chest. This isn't just business, it's an escape hatch. But there's more. Trump's company is also filing for a Bitcoin plus Ethereum ETF under a new platform, TruthFi, aiming for a crypto-focused fintech ecosystem. If approved, Trump creates his own parallel financial system. He can onboard followers into digital banking, fund campaigns and merch, run media, without needing the Fed. This isn't just about Bitcoin, it's about building a loyal parallel economy. So, can you get rich from this? If you're thinking of jumping into Trump Media stock, DJT, or following the Bitcoin wave, here's the game. If Bitcoin pumps and TMTG gets in early, their treasury balloons. That could spark massive hype, push stock value, and suck in millions of retail investors. Think MicroStrategy 2.0, with way more political drama. But, huge warning. The stock is volatile, legal risks are sky high, and if Trump gets convicted or Truth Social tanks, you could lose it all. This isn't a blue chip, it's political crypto roulette. So here's the real question. Is Trump using Bitcoin as a lifeboat for his own wealth, or is he building the blueprint for America's first crypto president? As trust in fiat crumbles, government crackdowns intensify, and political loyalty gets monetized. This strategy could be the template for future empires. So, can you get rich from Trump's $2.3 billion Bitcoin move? Yeah, if you time it right, and if Bitcoin booms. But remember, this is more than investing. This is about power, protection, and political permanence. Welcome to the new frontier, where crypto meets corruption and blockchain meets ballots. What do you think? Genius move or just greedy? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more power plays only on LivityUniverse.